Okay, my next customer ordered the extra strength nettle hair growth oil, and this is my new improved hair growth oil. I have improved my extra strength nettle hair growth oil, and so on the back of each card I have put a update on the improvement of the oil. So this is my new infused updated extra strength hair growth oil. So I am going to wrap this up. And put a sticker on here. Close it up. And staple her thank you card onto her receipt. And at the bottom here, I added my my website email address so that you can register for my at my Shopify shop that will open soon. So now it is all wrapped, and I am going to pack her product in a small envelope like that, and it is ready to go. On to the next. Okay, my next customer box is ready. Ordered the hair growth oil, my new improved hair growth oil, and a nettle hair scalp tonic. I'll put that in there nice and neat. And here's her card. I no longer give cards out for my scalp tonic, and as soon as I use up all of my cards for my packages, I don't think I am going to restock them because the instructions are on my bottles. Okay, close this one up. The little thank you sticker on top. And her thank you card. Close the box and move on to my next order. Okay, the next order, customer ordered the nettle hair mask, which I am completely sold out. I am revising my nettle hair mask. Get a spoon and a cup. And also the card. Close this over. Place a thank you sticker on top. Thank you card. And I'll move on to the next order. Okay, my customer, I am going to pack their order. Customer ordered my hair mask. I have it nice and wrapped, and I am sold out. I think by the time this video is uploaded, I am sold out completely. I am changing the package of my nettle hair mask. I am changing the bottles because the containers here cost too much for me to purchase, and I do not want to raise my prices. So this customer happened to get the last one, and so I'm going to pack that in really nicely. And also my new updated hair growth oil. I'm going to place that there like that. And you get a cup along with a spoon, a nice, strong, sturdy wooden spoon to stir your mask. And here are the cards, the new updated ingredients on the back. I place that there, close it over. Place your thank you card there, close the box, and move on to my next order. Okay, next order, customer gets the hair growth oil, place in the center of the box, and the lavender scalp tonic, the nettle lavender scalp tonic. I place that there, and a nettle scalp tonic. Place that in the box, nice and neat. And the instruction cards there, and fold it over. Thank you for your purchase sticker, and place her card there, and all set with this order. Now the next order is sample set 1. You get the scalp tonic. Okay, I noticed that the label has come off, so make some adjustments to that. Okay, that's done. Okay, get the hair growth oil, the hair mask, and the scalp tonic, and a small little spoon to stir up their tonic. To stir up their hair mask. It's super early in the morning, so okay. Fold that over and place that in here, nice and neat and secure. The next thing is, next item, is neem cleansing bars. This is great if you're having any issues with scalp pimples, dandruff, eczema on the scalp, psoriasis. This is a really great soap to help kill fungus and bacteria on the scalp. So I'm going to place that here. Move this around. Place that on top, like that. And I'm out of my smaller instruction cards for my sample sets, so I gave the larger instruction cards. I'm going to fold that over and put a sticky thank you tag and thank you card. I'm all set. Okay, it is time for me to get myself dressed and to the post office because I don't like a long line. But here are the last 4 put into their mailing packages. So this customer ordered my pure stinging nettle shampoo bars, scalp tonic, more shampoo bars. This customer ordered shampoo bars as well as my hair growth oil and my hairline serum. Thank you so much for watching my video. I truly do appreciate it. Please go on to my Etsy shop if you are suffering from any hair loss, thinning, balding, any scalp issues, and also I have put the link to my Shopify store, so please go and register your email so you will be notified as soon as I open my shop, which will be in the next several days. So I am going to say enjoy your day, and thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up and leave me a comment if you have a question or two. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.